All the internet's been talking about Facetune 2 lately.
Do you edit your selfies?
Is it okay to edit your selfies?
Is there such thing as too much editing? Too much Facetune?
Seems the whole world could use some help learning how to use Facetune too.
And still staying real. You be you. We support however you edit your selfies.
But as the makers of Facetune 2,
We do have some wisdom we'd like to share.
Get over your over-smoothing addiction.
Meet the slider.
You can quickly tone down your smooth look, or you can tone it up if you insist.
Stop.
Stop distorting.
That hurt.
Plump it up, but don't make it look like you got stung by a bee.
Make sure people can still recognize you in real life.
I use Facetune 2 to make me look glamorous, not like it's my plastic surgeon.
Just take your own look and glam it up.
Can I go home now?